Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, your favorite Scentsy gal, but today we're not talking about Scentsy. We're talking about Park Lane's Sparkle Box. Alright you guys, I'm super excited to unbox this with you, but first, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have different types of videos on Scentsy as well as other aspects of my life. But today is all about Park Lane's Sparkle Box. I recently was introduced to Park Lane a couple months ago through a friend, and I just love their stuff. I normally wear jewelry every single day now, even though I'm working from home. So one of my favorite pieces is the Infinite earrings, which is like, that's just what I wear every single day. And then my Rue necklace, which I have on, super cute and sparkly. And that's just my normal go-to now. So with Park Lane Sparkle Box, I get to incorporate new pieces of jewelry that I typically wouldn't buy for myself into my jewelry collection now. So it's really cool. You have two options. You can either do the one piece of jewelry, and I think that's like $28 a month, or you can do two pieces of jewelry, and that's about $38 or $39. And with tax and shipping, I think it only comes out to like $42 for two pieces of jewelry. So yeah, I signed up for it and I've loved everything I've gotten so far. So let's dig into this box and see what we get. All right, let's see what's in this month's Sparkle Box. I'm so excited. Oh, it's a pink box. Normally this is like a purpley box. Oh, so cute. Must be pink for Valentine's Day. Park Lane, obsessed with this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right. So it comes in this cute little bag. Alright, so I have the subscription that I get two pieces. Oh my goodness. Look at those heart earrings. Oh my goodness. I love this subscription because I would never buy these, but I so want to try these. So I love this subscription because I would never buy this for myself, but I would totally wear this. And like, I don't know, I would just be nervous to buy it because I wouldn't like it, but since it's in my subscription, I get to try all this cool stuff that I would normally not buy for myself. That is super cute. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to see. So it looks like a necklace, bracelet, let's see. Oh, they really do wrap these all nice. So these are individually like wrapped. Okay, well now that that's done, oh my goodness, this is such a cute little bracelet. So we have like a matching heart to go with the earrings. We have a key, some hearts, and like a little gem, another little key. My goodness, I love it. Cute little heart and locket again. And another thing I love about their jewelry is like you can like size it, so which is really awesome. So, oh my goodness. I'm horrible at putting bracelets on. So hubby is definitely gonna have to help me, but look. Did I put it on backwards? Of course I did. We'll pretend that I clasped it. Alright, look how cute that is. Oh, I love it. Okay, so just thought of this. So I can either have the like non-sparkly side show, or you can have it so the sparkly side shows. How fun! Super cute. I cannot wait to wear this. I think we're going out this weekend. Like literally just running around some errands. I think we're going out for lunch too to celebrate hubby's birthday, but I don't have to wear this. Look how cute that is. That is so pretty. And to go along with these earrings, love it. Oh, I'm so excited. It doesn't tell me the name, so I'm gonna have to put the names of the set. But yes, so stinking cute. All right, you guys, so after many tries, I was able to get my bracelet on. Look how cute that is. It's extremely loose, but I still have all this space to make it tighter. This is what I could do on my own. Like I said, I am bracelet challenged when it comes to clasps. But this is so cute. It's super light. And I got my earrings in. How cute. Super light. I was actually kind of nervous about that being a little, that they're so big, that they were going to be a little heavy. But these are not heavy at all. I just think that they're super light. And I feel like, so I wear headphones to work, and I think they're gonna be okay, because like I push it in, like my headphones like sit like right above. So I don't even think they're gonna bother me, so I can actually wear these to work. I am so excited. Oh my goodness, look at this. So cute. Cannot wait to wear these this weekend when we go out, just for running around. And I'm in a hoodie obviously, and they look great. So thank you so much for joining me on my Sparkle Box unboxing by Park Lane. And if you love this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.